My voice today is Scuff, but that doesn't mean that your operating system has to be too. It's never been easier before to switch to Linux. So let me give you my top 3 reasons for why you should do it right now. Reason number 1, the alternatives get worse every single day. If you're not going to use Linux, you basically have to decide between buying into Apple's expensive ecosystem or using Microsoft's operating system that looks more and more like spyware to me. Freedom, privacy, and customization, these are things that you're only going to get with Linux. Reason number 2, compatibility and gaming are becoming non-issues on Linux. A couple of years ago, it wasn't really viable to daily drive Linux. Too much software was missing and gaming was basically impossible. This was the number 1 argument against using Linux. But nowadays, more and more software is moving to the web, more and more software is being developed for Linux, and even if it isn't, it's super easy to find a workaround and to get it working on Linux. Also, thanks to Valve, the company behind Steam, gaming on Linux is becoming mainstream and normal. Reason number 3, and this is especially important for those of you who are in Europe, Linux means independence. Almost all the software, cloud providers, and AI models that we're using are coming from overseas. We're sending our money and data to them. Now, of course, using Linux or open source software in general will not resolve this problem overnight, but it's a move into the right direction. It's a mindset shift. We're relying less on proprietary software and services from other continents, and we're making open source more popular. And this has a compounding effect. The more people start using Linux, the more people use open source software, the more people will contribute to it, and the more people will also develop for these platforms. And probably more important than anything, Linux is not rocket science anymore. To set up Linux and to use it on a daily basis, you don't need to be highly technical. This was the case in the past, but especially with mainstream distributions like Pop! OS, Ubuntu, or Mint, it's getting super easy for non-technical people to start using Linux on a daily basis. For the most part, it's a matter of habit, and once you start using Linux, you will probably not want to go back, especially if you are a developer. So go ahead and give it a try.